Today I am going to make an experimental video. I will use gold leaves on the silk fabric. Let's see how successful I am in my experiment today. Before I start, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Wet the fabric with water. Use sponge or brush. Do not apply so much water over the fabric. I select the sea green, cobalt blue and magenta for my base color. You can select the colors by your choice. Apply the color with brush or sponge. Now blend the colors with sponge or brush. Sprinkle the rock salt over the fabric and leave it for 1 hour. Turn off the fans during this process. Fabric will dry very quickly if you place it under the fan. Now you can see the salt effect. Remove the salt from the fabric very carefully. After removing the salt, I am painting my fabric with diluted sea green. I don't want so much salt effect on the fabric, that's why I am using this color on the fabric. Make sure your fabric should be wet, so apply the water first, then paint it again. Let the fabric dry after painting. My fabric is dried now. Remove the fabric from the wooden frame. Take the hard chart paper and draw the image on it. Cut the image with paper cutter. My stencil is ready now. I will use this fabric glue for my next step. Place the old cloth on the table and then place the silk fabric on it. Take out the glue in any old plate or any small pot. Now apply the glue with the small piece of sponge. Make sure do not apply so much glue on the stencil area. Remove the stencil from the fabric. Now take the gold leaf and place it on the glued area. Put the butter paper over the gold leaf and press gently. Now remove the butter paper. I just remove the fabric from the old cloth and turn the fabric and place old fabric over the silk and iron till my glue completely dried. Remove all the remaining gold leaves. You can use these leftovers in the other project. Old toothbrush is better option because the bristles are hard and it helps to remove the gold leaves. This project is ready. I never do this experiment, so I want to add one more step in this video, which is wash the fabric in the water after gold leaf effect. After ironing, dip the fabric in the water for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the fabric from the water and check the gold leaves. I think this experiment has been successful. Do not rub the gold leaves now. Remove the fabric from the water and let it dry. I hope you enjoyed my experiment. Please share your opinion and give the suggestions. Thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.